Guys, Olimar. I don't know if you know, but I'm on this cool trip on vacation. Right now I'm in Georgia. I just found this cool cave on the trail. While I was hiking, I got my full suit on with my airsoft gun, my machete, flashlight, my phone in my hand, and also, my new pocket knife. I just found this cool cave. Let's go in it. It's crazy looking. Okay. Light on. I don't even know this has anything in it. Dude, this is crazy. Whoa, cool spider. Oh, it's got water in here. It's very moist in here. The crap is, oh my gosh, mosquitoes AF. Dude, this is cool. It's like a little hut. It's really small. In fact, take a picture. Hold on, here's the picture. Sorry, the picture's really blurry. But, that's a little cave segment. See you guys at the waterfall. Guys, I just ran into this giant cliff on this trail. Come on, focus. This thing is crazy. You know what? Let's go on a walk on the trail a little bit. The waterfall's right down there, so take you guys down there. Try to put it close next to my face so you can see everything I see. Alright, very good. Yo, this is crazy. It looks crazier from up there. I'm sorry for the shakiness. Hold on, let me try to hold it still here. My uncle complained that my videos were too shaky. So let's hold it kind of still here. Sorry, this is like a really rocky trail. Oh, you can go down there. You guys wanna go down there? I'll take you. Oh, that's a swimming area. I'm on a bridge right now. This side. I wonder where the waterfall is. Look at that giant tree. Alright, let's go this way. Oh my god. That is extremely steep. Alright, wait, what is this? What is this? What is this? We'll have a second. It's a hat. And a cloth. That's kind of weird. Alright, let's go. I'm sorry for the shakiness. It's really hard to keep it still. This is like the rockiest trail I've ever been on. Holy crap, that's steep. I wouldn't die if I fell that down, but I'd probably break something. Okay, I can't sing. Dang it. I keep thinking of songs because my mom showed me, and there's a little waterfall thing down there. Probably walk down the creek. I'll film that. Walking down there instead of on the trail. There's two ways. Which way to go? This way or that way? I'm gonna go this way. Oh, this is like the broken down trail. But wait, no, it's not. It goes right next to... Now, if I fell from here, I'd die. And I'm like right on the edge. Dude, this is crazy. You can go down. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think that's possible to go. So, go up. Alright. Oh, can. Peace. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're at, like, the actual part, alright? Okay, I just walked uphill like crazy. Now I'm going downhill again. I want to show you this. Okay, let's run down to it. Holy crap. Okay. Dude, this is just crazy. Oh, no, we're on a different trail. Last one was yellow. Dude, this is like pushing off the edge. It's not stable anymore, and I'm just leaning on it like nothing. Okay, just want to show you this. Holy. Oh my god. My phone's probably 20 feet up in the air. See you guys there. Oh my gosh. Sorry again. But look at this. Bro, this is probably like, I'm not even joking, I'd say 200 tons. And it's just leaning off the edge like nothing. And I'm just under it. You can follow me any second. There's a sitting rock here. Sitting log here. Oh my god. Dream has been fulfilled. We made it. I'm exhausted. Probably 30 minutes of walking. That is freaking high. It's at least 100 foot. Yeah. Like 75, 50. Okay, slippery and dangerous conditions exist. Waiting and climbing prohibited. So, there's people up here. Bro, it's exhausting to go here and like camo decked out. Dude. Oh, this is beautiful. They were right. Oh my god. Dude, this is unrealistic right now. Mind, this rock is like 70 feet high. And then you just have this beautiful waterfall right here. Hold on. Let me get on top of this rock. And it's like so bright. Oh my god. I think I found Atlantis. Dude. This is a lot more crazier in real life than on this camera. It's freaking heaven. You know what? Peace out, you guys. This is just beautiful. It's really bright to where it was before. Slide down. Bad idea. Got it. Guys, I'm gonna peace out on this. Peace! It's really cool. There's like an echo. Hey! That's cool.